Okay, for this one, you need what's called point slope form. Actually, you don't need to do it this way. This is just the easiest way to do it. But this is the point slope form equation is this. It's y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And essentially, you have everything you need to know. This is your x1, this is your y1, and look at that, that's your m. And you literally just plug it in. So if I was to just plug this in, remember, you don't plug things into, you can temporarily plug things into y and x, but when you're writing the equation of a line, there will always be a y and an x. The y1, x1 are placeholders for numbers that you're going to replace it with. So if you were to plug this in, it would be y minus a y1 is negative 8. Your m is 4, x minus x1 is 0. And so whenever you have a double negative, that turns to plus 8 equals, distribute this. Obviously, x1 is 0 is just x, so this is just 4x. Now, it doesn't say what form it has to be. It's write an equation line that passes through each point of the given slope. So technically, that is an answer, but it's going to be multiple choice. So what you might want to do is subtract 8 from both sides so that you can get it now into point slope form. So this is what we call, sorry, not point slope. This is called slope intercept form. And this is the one that you're probably most familiar with. It looks like this. Y equals mx plus b, where b is your y-intercept. There you go.